From misty mountains to sunny beaches, every season in Vietnam tells a different story. Understanding Vietnam weather helps you choose the perfect time to explore this beautiful country, from the cool charm of Hanoi to the tropical warmth of Phu Quoc. So, let's discover together how the seasons change, where to go, and when is the best time to visit Vietnam. Made easy with vietnamtour.in. The Vietnam climate is tropical and pleasantly warm all year, with temperatures ranging from 20 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius. Because the country stretches long from north to south, each region has its own weather pattern. The north has 4 seasons, while the central and southern parts enjoy just 2. Dry and rainy. The dry season, November to April, brings clear skies and ideal travel conditions, while the rainy season, May to October, turns the landscape lush and green with short tropical showers. No matter the month, Vietnam weather offers something unique. Misty mountains in the north, sunny beaches in the south, and endless beauty in between. In northern Vietnam, each of the 4 seasons offers its own beauty and activities. Spring, February to April, is cool and misty, perfect for visiting temples, taking peaceful boat rides in Ninh Binh, or joining local festivals that celebrate the Lunar New Year. Summer, May to August, brings bright sunshine and blue skies, ideal for cruising through Ha Long Bay, hiking in Sapa, or enjoying nature escapes around Hanoi. Autumn, September to November, is dry, clear, and romantic. The best time for walking around Hoan Kiem Lake, cycling through rice fields, or capturing golden landscapes in the countryside. Winter, December to January, is cool and refreshing, with temperatures around 15 degrees Celsius. Great for exploring Hanoi's old streets, tasting warm street food, and feeling the peaceful charm of northern Vietnam. Central Vietnam enjoys warm sunshine almost all year, making it one of the best regions to visit in the country. From January to August, the dry season brings clear skies, calm seas, and golden beaches, perfect for swimming in Da Nang, sunbathing in Nha Trang, or exploring the ancient streets of Hoi An and the Royal Citadel in Hue. From September to December, light rains and cool breezes create a quieter, more romantic atmosphere. This is the time to enjoy peaceful walks by the Perfume River, visit temples wrapped in mist, or simply relax in cozy seaside cafes. No matter when you come, Central Vietnam shines with its balance of history, culture, and stunning natural beauty. In southern Vietnam, the weather stays warm and tropical all year, with temperatures ranging from 25 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius. Perfect for exploring anytime. The dry season, November to April, offers sunny days and clear skies, ideal for city sightseeing in Ho Chi Minh City, cruising along the Mekong Delta, or relaxing on the white beaches of Phu Quoc. During the rainy season, May to October, short tropical showers refresh the land, turning rice fields and gardens a vibrant green. It's a great time for photography, cafe hopping, and enjoying peaceful moments with fewer crowds and great off-season travel deals. For Indian travelers, the Vietnam weather feels familiar yet fresher. The summer warmth feels like Kerala or Goa, while the northern winter feels like Shimla in spring, cool, clear, and comfortable. It's never too hot or too cold, making Vietnam perfect for any style of travel, adventure, honeymoon, or family holiday. Pack light cotton clothes for warm days and a light jacket for cooler evenings up north. Comfortable shoes for walking, sunscreen, and a small umbrella will keep you ready for any season. And of course, your camera. Because Vietnam is beautiful no matter the weather. Overall, the best time to visit Vietnam is from October to April, when the skies are clear across the country. But truthfully, Vietnam is a year-round destination. Whether you love the sunshine of Da Nang, the misty charm of Sapa, or the tropical vibe of Phu Quoc, every season has its own magic. Indian travelers will feel at home here. Vegetarian food, Indian restaurants, and warm smiles everywhere. For a smooth trip, VietnamTour.in handles everything, from visas and private transfers to Indian meals and customized itineraries based on the season. From the mist of the mountains to the sunshine by the sea, Vietnam weather paints every journey with its own colors. No matter when you come, Vietnam always welcomes you with warmth and wonder. Plan your trip with VietnamTour.in and let the beauty of every season guide your adventure across this incredible country.